need the whole chicken, guys. We will need only fillet, the breast parts. And we'll just cut some meat from it also. Slices. And we put our chicken. Nice. И перчика. And they will be so creamy, you know, this chicken will be so creamy. I like this recipe, it's very easy. Чеснок трем на мелкой терке. Mix again like this. And let it cook like this. 10 minutes and that's it. Guys, add just 1 tablespoon of flour like this, okay? Now it's thick, you see. When it already became thick like this, just add our green onion, little bit, and mix this all, like this. That's enough, guys, turn off. Пробуем, да, это? This is really very tasty. It's very important to add garlic in this chicken because it gives exactly this special nice creamy flavor. For this amount of chicken, we have this huge plate. Guys, this is nice. Try this one. Very easy, no need to make big effort, and just delicious. Super, guys, very tasty, really. As usual, this is music.